Introducing the Vision series by Full Spectrum Laser. Starting off with the Atlas Vision, the latest high-performance camera system from Full Spectrum Laser. Here's how it works. Just add a few small squares, called registration marks, to your printed design. The built-in camera detects those marks, and the software automatically aligns the cuts, giving you perfect results every time. This is all possible due to the integration of our industrial monochromatic global shutter camera. Whether you're working on a small sheet or a full 4x8 panel, size doesn't matter. Any vector shape can be used. Simple or complex, it makes no difference. With a massive 4x8 foot work area, this is our largest machine yet for precision cutting using registration marks. Perfect cuts every time. After calibration and subpixel interpolation, 0.1 to 0.2 millimeters. If the Atlas Vision is too large for what you need, the other option in our Vision series is our PS48 Vision, with all the same capabilities as the Atlas Vision, but with a 48 by 36 inch work area. This is what happens when precision, ease of use, and mass production come together in one machine.